Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a game changer in the world of wireless audio. The SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These earbuds pack some serious features. And whether you're a music lover, gamer, or someone who's constantly on calls, there's something here for you. Stick around and let's see if these deserve a spot in your tech collection. First off, let's talk sound quality. The Capsule 3 Pro is certified high-res audio and supports LDAC technology, which means you're getting crystal clear, high-fidelity sound. Thanks to the 12mm biodiaphragm dynamic driver and a unique digital audio processor, these earbuds deliver powerful bass, crisp highs, and clear mids. The soundstage is impressive, covering a wide frequency range from 20 Hz to 40 kHz. If you love listening to every detail in your favorite tracks, these are going to blow you away. I tried them with a mix of genres, and the richness of the audio really stands out. Now, let's address one of the standout features, hybrid active noise cancellation. With a noise cancellation depth of up to 43 decibels, these earbuds reduce up to 90% of ambient noise. Perfect for your flights, gym sessions, or just shutting out the world when you need to focus. Oh, and if you're in a setting where you need to stay aware, the transparency mode is a lifesaver. It enhances voice frequencies so you can hear announcements or have quick conversations without taking the earbuds off. For those of you who make a lot of calls, you're covered. Each earbud features 3 built-in microphones. That's 6 mics in total. These work together to filter out background and wind noise, ensuring your voice is crystal clear. Whether it's a business call or a quick chat with a friend, you'll sound professional and sharp. On the tech side, the Capsule 3 Pro uses Bluetooth 5.3 for a faster, more stable connection and lossless sound transmission. Pairing is seamless, and once you're connected, you're good to go for up to 8 hours on a single charge. Combine that with the charging case, and you've got a whopping 52 hours of playtime. And for gamers or movie buffs, there's a game mode with ultra-low latency at just 70 milliseconds. Trust me, you'll hear every footstep, every move. It's a total game changer for competitive play or immersive binge sessions. Comfort? Check. These earbuds are designed for long wear without any discomfort. I've worn them for hours, and they stay secure without causing any irritation. If you're looking for a pair of earbuds that combine premium sound, advanced noise cancellation, and versatility at an affordable price, the SoundPEATS Capsule3 Pro is a no-brainer. Make sure to check out the product link in the description and pinned comment for more details and the latest deals. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think of these earbuds, or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.